Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
It can only happen if there is a genuine commitment to power sharing. And
the ANC is not fighting for power sharing. When we fight against Bozo, we are doing so because we don't want to share power with him. We are fighting against the Turk because we don't want to share power with him. People cannot share power with the enemy. The enemy must be crushed. Who love? Who right? Who? Come on, son. Who love? Victor. Kill them, man. Kill your maruma. Kill them, man. Shoot to kill it. Kill them, man. Kill the poor. The mama.
Sanibona, ivideo yanamuhla ngiyiqale kanje ngamabomu ngoba into ekhalelwa kakhulu i-DA ukuthi bafuna i-power sharing. I-ANC bambisane nabo kodwa i-ANC behavior sengathi iyona ephethe. Kodwa-ke into eyenzeka lapha ku-ANC, umqondo i-ANC eyayinawo kudala nomqondo i-ANC enawo manje uyefana. Ngizokucaphunela ivideo kaMbalula lathi khona bona azikho into eshiwo i-DA abazilalelayo. Yingakho ngiqale ngaleya video kaPeter Mokaba ngoba i-DA noma bebambisane nayo beshade nayo kodwa still basayibuka njengesitha. Cela uzwe la.
We know what we stand for as the ANC, unlike all these political parties who don't know what they stand for. And then they are in a marriage over a budget with the DA. They console themselves that no, we are not. We're doing this against the ANC. So any opportunity they will find, they will work against the ANC. We are not beholden to the DA. We are beholden to South Africa. That's what we are beholden to. We don't want to turn this country into rubbles. We are transforming a country within a capitalist mode of production. That's what you need to understand. We're not, we're doing these things that we are doing for our people, and we're still advancing, and we have not arrived within a capitalist mode of production in South Africa. And that's what we need to understand. We are not beholden to anybody, not beholden to the DA, anyone. It's just that those who are doing cheap politics, they like to throw this thing at us that Sisebenza and the DA. We're not beholden to the DA. Where have you seen in this GNU where the ANC bent over to the Democratic Alliance? Where? That's what you need to explain. We are in this soup of GNU because we did not win the elections. We invited everybody, and those ones who are making noise every day, they said they are not going to come in the GNU. And they used the reason as DA. Okay, you don't like the DA? We go there in parliament and vote. Who do they vote with? And you interview them every day, but you don't ask them this question. I don't know why, but you don't ask them. Why do you work with DA to stop the budget when you had the choice to abstain?
Kwi-video engigcine ngayo ngithe ngizoyichaza le ndaba yokuthi MK ivote kanye ne-DA. I-MK party kanye ne-EFF kusuka ngosuku lokuqala kwakukhulunywa indaba yokukhuphuka kwe-VAT ngo-2% yaphikisana nakho. Okwesibili uthe uminister mayifika ethi i-VAT bazoyikhuphula ibe 0.5 this year, ibe 0.5 next year, okuzoyenza ukuthi ibe 16%. Bathi mabephuma eParliament, MK Party kanye ne-EFF bama ekuthenini bona angeke baze bavote isitalo bevotela ukuthi akhushulwe i-VAT. Yaphuma i-DA yathi no, nayo ngeke izivume ukuthi kukhushulwe i-VAT ngoba bakhulumile ne-ANC ukuthi akungakhuphuki i-VAT isitalo, kodwa i-ANC yakhetha ukungabalaleli. Yona ingazi balalela abe-ANC uma bengase bebuyekeze i-expropriation bill, lapho-ke ingavota nabo. So i-MK Party ne-EFF bathi bangamane bahambe ne-DA uma inqobo kuzobe kuvikelwa abantu abahluphekile okuyi-majority yabo abamnyama. Siyazi zonke izizwe zinabantu abahluphekile, kodwa i-majority yabantu abahluphekile ngabamnyama. So njengoba bebephikisana nokukhuphuka kwe-VAT, bebengenzeli khona ukuthi ngoba babambisene ne-DA, cha, bebenza ngoba bethi bavikela abantu abahluphekile. Ingakho ngithe ngizoyichaza le part eshiwo uMbalula la kabanzi, futhi ngifuna siqhubeke kancane noMbalula ebese ngicaphuna amavidiyo abalulekile ngoba lolu daba lonke lithinta indaba ye-VAT. Bese ngicaphuna amavidiyo, kunamavidiyo abalulekile efuneka ngiwacaphune la athinta ngqo udaba lwe-VAT.
You can't work alone in that parliament. You work with others. MK Party, DA, EFF became great friends overnight without talking to each other because everything but ANC. So they agreed there in parliament. So if it was the ANC, you were going to... Julius and his party worked with the DA here in Johannesburg and voted for them to govern Johannesburg, including working with Mashaba as a DA leader here in Johannesburg, even in Pretoria. We went to them with a cap in their hand, and then we said to them, let's work together. They refused. They must know we will never beg them for anything this time around. They come in the GNU, they can make many pronouncements. We will never beg them for anything. EFF and that Umkhonto weSizwe Zuma party will never beg them for anything. The same as we'll never beg the DA. We're not beholden to them. They have chosen to participate, and they have created their own chaos. We are still standing. You know, when Zuma decided to appoint a minister over a weekend, this country's economy collapsed to rubbles, and he had to go and fetch Pravin Gordhan. Do you want us to do that for South Africa? For whose benefit? Collapse the economy, everything becomes chaos in this country. We're not beholden to the DA. DA can walk even tonight if they want to walk. Let them walk. Let them walk. This GNU will not collapse.
Njengoba umuzi uMbalula la ngomsombuluko ngomhla ka-31 kuMarch, irandi mawuqhathaniswa nedola lase-America belitrade ngo-18.31 njengoba ubona la ku-screen sakho. Lento ayishoyo uMbalula iyenzeka njengoba sikhuluma. Ingakho i-ANC ingaphumeli obala ithi iyayixosha i-DA, ithi if i-DA ifuna yona ukuhamba ihambe. Siyakhumbula ukuthi kuvotwe ngoLwesithathu ngomhla ka-2 ku-April. Ngomhla ka-3 nje irandi bese selitrade ngo-18.74 ngenxa nje yokuphambana kwe-ANC ne-DA. Irandi bese selitrade ngo-18.74 maliqhathaniswa nedola laseMelika. Namuhla imakethe mayivala, irandi maliqhathaniswa nedola laseMelika belitrade ngo-19.71. Just nje ngokuphambana okuncane. So lento eshiwo uMbalula ethi yenzeka ngesikhathi uPresident Zuma esewupresident we-country ile yenzekayo. Ngizokucaphunela ke manje ivideo ka-John Steenhuisen ekhuluma ngento ecishe ifane nale, ebese singena edabeni lokuthi i-ANC ikhone kanjani ukuphasisa i-fiscal framework ngaphandle losizo le-DA. Yini eyenzile ngaphandle kwe-DA njengoba manje sebefuna ukwenza sengathi i-EFF ne-MK bebevota against i-ANC kanti bebevota against i-fiscal framework ene-VAT phakathi. Kodwa ukuze wazi ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani ngizokucaphunela yona, ngoba kuney'nkulumo ezithi ey'shiwo uMmusi Maimane kanye noHerman Mashaba bethi i-VAT ayikhuphuki, kodwa sithola ama-message asitshelayo ukuthi iVAT iyakhuphuka. FNB ithumela ama-message, MTN asithumela ama-message athi ayashintsha ama-price. Ama-bank asithumela ama-message ukuthi ngoba iVAT ya-adjusta ngomhla ka-1 so ama-price azoguquka. Ngizobe sengicaphunela bona-ke. Kodwa into enkulu engiyangizama ukuyenza kule channel ukuthi ngale kokukhuluma ngento eyishiwo asifundisane ekugcineni kosuku uphuma usunolwazi. Kunento nje efuneka uyifunde uma ubuke le channel. Ngifisa ke lento ezoshiwo uStenezen uyibone njengobufakazi ngoba ngikuthathele lapho ukuthi mayiqala lento ingakenzeki ngomhla ka-31 after siyenzekile lengxabano yabo nokungavumelani kwabo ne-ANC. Irandi belitrader ngamalini. Namhlanje njengoba izinkulumo ziqhubeka selitrader ngamalini. Ngicela uzwe la.
We did receive a letter from business, indeed, and I think we've seen the market's reaction to a government without the DA. R1 trillion wiped off the JSE just as a result of a market reaction to a potential that the DA would no longer be in government.
Uthombalula, we are building a country within a capitalist mode of frame. Funa uyi-understande kahle lo nto le. Ngizwile abanye kwivideo besiyenzile bethi bangobani bona ibhizinisi thina sibavotelanga bona, kodwa kuney'nqumo ey'balulekile ezithathwa ibhizinisi. Uma futhi osopolitiki bengayilalelanga ibhizinisi kwenzeka lento oyibonayo njengoba irandi litrader kanje likhuphuka kanje liluza amandla. Lokhu kuzoku-affecta futhi wena njengomuntu oswele ngoba ama-price azokhuphuka, especially price ye-oil nani lokho kuzophoqa ukuthi ukhuphuke upetrol. Asicaphune nango ubaba uHlabisa sizwe ukuthi yena kungani eyisupportile iVAT.
We support the 2025 fiscal framework and revenue proposals. We emphasize the need for prudent financial management, prioritization of job creation, investment in infrastructure, and social support mechanism that genuinely uplift citizens. Fiscal discipline and corruption-free administration are non-negotiable for the country's economic recovery. In the light of the country's pressing fiscal challenges, the IFP understands the increase in VAT as a necessary measure to bolster government revenue and ensure continued service delivery. We recognize that the decision to increase VAT is not taken lightly as it impacts all South Africans. However, given the dire state of public finances, revenue collection shortfalls, and the need to maintain critical social programs, we believe that this measure is a responsible step towards economic stability. The alternative would have been further borrowing. This, however, is unsustainable in the long term as the debt services costs are already at a staggering 425 billion rand.
Njengoba umuzi ubaba uHlabisa la ethi yena bayisupporta ngoba lokukhuphuka kwale VAT kuzolekelela kakhulu kwi-economic growth ukuthi i-government ikwazi ukucollecta le mali eyidingayo ebese ikwazi ukuyifanda la funeka ukuthi ifande lezi zinto efuneka izifande ikhulise i-economy. Uthi kodwa i-alternative ebikhona ukuthi kuyobolekwa kanti sebeboleke kakhulu isikweletu sesingaphe kokwenza. Ngizocaphuna ivideo ye-EFF abaphikisana nayo le ngoba kunamanye ama-alternative nayo futhi i-Action SA ivote kanye ne-ANC ngoba benama-proposal benama-alternative abathe bangawa-implementa akwazi ukuthi a-generate lama-revenues afunekayo ebese bekwazi ukukhuphula ukuthi bavimbe indaba ye-VAT ANC-ke yavuma yathi ngeke ikhuphule i-VAT kodwa izothatha u-30 days bese iyawabheka lama-proposal. Kodwa njengoba sithola ama-message asazisayo ukuthi i-VAT iyakhuphuka, uClement kwi-702 umfonela uHerman Mashaba embuza ukuthi Herman Mashaba kwenzakalani kanti ngoba wena wawusethembisile. Uphendule kanjena kuHerman.
Please assist me, Mr. Mashaba, because I think that you have been tricked by the ANC. I don't think you saw it coming. You thought that the ANC is going to come back with a reworked budget before the 1st of May. And I've played the listeners some clips here where Paul Mashatile says this temporary VAT is necessary, but as soon as the economy improves, it will be changed. I played a clip of the IFP, of Rise Mzansi, of the president. So it looks like you are the only people here that somehow believe that there's going to be a removal of VAT before the 1st of May.
Well, it's unfortunate, Clement, if political parties mandated by the public to represent them in parliament, they vote for reports that they do not understand. Please have a look at the report tabled by Action SA as a proposal in the Finance Committee on the 1st, and to really look at the very same report presented and voted in parliament on the 2nd.
Sizokhumbula ukuthi kwi-portfolio committee uSinawo Thambo kanye noBrian Mulife babegcizelela ukuthi Action SA into efuneka zenzeke lazimbili, it's either siyi-amenda i-fiscal framework noma si-accept njengoba injalo. Bona bavota ne-ANC bathi ayiyemukelwe njengoba injalo, bona bazofaka i-recommendation. So manje uyambuza kuClement ukuthi Mr. Mashaba, awuboni ukuthi ANC trickile nala ukuthi sayina wena uvote nabo, kodwa manje sithola ama-message athi i-VAT izokhuphuka. Usethi uHerman Mashaba no, kusho ukuthi i-ANC ayizange ithembeke. Usho ukuthi i-ANC bingathembeke esinqumeni sayo. Ubene confidence eyisimanga uHerman Mashaba esho khona ukuthi bazosebenzisana ne-ANC babheka ama-recommendations. ANC uthe ugogo uzile, he was April fooled. Herman Mashaba yingakho kunje.
We've already missed the 1st of April because that's when the budget must kick in. So we pushed it back to the 1st of May just to give parties a bit of time to see is there something else we can do. But we are not married to VAT as a lifetime thing. It's really just to cross this bridge now. We think that we can push growth beyond 3% of GDP in this next 3 years. Next year, or in this financial year, the minister is saying 1.9% growth, but with all these other plans, we want to push beyond 3%, which will be very good because then we can have enough money or enough revenues for National Treasury to be able to fund this medium-term development plan without necessarily increasing taxes.
Le nkulumo ka-Deputy President ikuveza ngokusobala ukuthi i-VAT izokhuphuka ngo-0.5% noma yena ethi i-temporary lokukhuphuka kwe-VAT. Akusuye kuphela, ubaba uHlabisa usho njalo, wathi kunesidingo izokhuphuka i-VAT. Nangu Paul Mashatile usho njalo.
We have said that this announced VAT increase has to be temporary, and part of the work that our leader Songezo Ziwi will do at Scopa is to ensure that we find where wastage is happening, cut that wastage so that you don't have to have this 0.5% VAT increase become a permanent feature of South African life.
But will it be temporary?
We are very much confident.
Ne-Rise Mzansi nayo iyavela ithi cha ngempela izoba temporary lokukhuphuka kwe-VAT. Kodwa singakhohlwa ukuthi uminister maka-proposer ukukhuphuka kwe-VAT uthe 0.5% this year, 0.5 next year. Okuzogcina kuyenza ukuthi ibe ngu-1%. Ngicela ukuma la, ngiyazi benginithembise ivideo ye-EFF inkinga yayo ine-statement se-EFF esichaza kabanzi ngale alternative ababenayo. Angeke ngikwazi ukuyifaka ngenxa yokuhamba kwesikhathi. Yazi ma ngenza lama video ngenxa ye-research ensuke ngiyenzile, ama-video maningi, isikhathi sincane. Ngoba inkinga yami angifuni ukwenza ivideo ende kakhulu, ngifuna ukuthi ivideo ilandeleke kahle, ungathi ivideo seyiyophela usazi ukuthi ekuqaleni bekukhulunywe ngani. Yingakho ngithi asiyibambe le video, mhlambe sokwenza enye. Mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, share nokulike, comment. Ngiyabonga.